Wonder how they fixed the electric so fast last night.
Like the friendliest cow I've ever had.
Oh yeah. Oh, they broke a piece of wire over there too, by that gate.
Yeah.
Must have jumped over.
Something. It could have broken on its own because right there at the gate, that top piece, a lot of pressure and it always gets rusted there. Could have broken. Sometimes they break from. That's why you want to put a piece of wood up there. This post is over a year old and it's already pretty. Well, the heart of it's good.
Wow.
Yeah, we can cut this. You got your little cutters?
Mm-hmm. Wonder how they fixed the electric so fast last night.
I don't know. Something. They came fast with a truck and went up there and changed the
Transformer box?
Probably. I've seen so.
I didn't expect it to be on last night.
People don't want to make the people mad.
Yeah.
You don't want to see a bunch of Ticos mad.
Plus the meters aren't running, so they're not making any money.
They'll find a way to squeeze it in.
Let me open this one?
Go.
Okay. We'll leave it through here.
That one needs to be. Fix posts up here too. Only hanging on by one thread.
So this will probably be the next fenced-in pasture we clear out.
We found around back here and go back over there where we were.
Yep.
So much space.
Oh yeah.
So much we gotta clean out. It's hard to start. We gotta clean this out too. This is all still. This is just one patch.
Yeah.
Once this is done, this is done. This is one little patch. We already got a thing all the way around it. And I want to get this little patch here in the back of here. This would open this whole field up even more. There's all these trees in here.
Yep.
It goes back.
Oh yeah.
And then on the other side of that fence. I still gotta finish this spot. Here down. It's hard to clean in here because of all the trunks.
Yeah.
Hit them and you can't see them, so you gotta go up higher. When you cut this stuff, you go way high. You go low, you'll hit one of these stumps and it fucks up the machine. Breaks the bearing inside. It was a pain in the butt in there. But I got her done. Big old stuff.
Oh yeah.
Come on! Let's go!
There you go.
Like the friendliest cow I've ever had.
Oh yeah.
It's a little bit too friendly.
Real clean too. No. Hardly any ticks. I don't know if I've seen one.
Yeah, I've seen a couple on her, but they've fallen off.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, on her neck.
Right here.
Some on her neck.
I've never ever seen a brand.
No.
Some of them had extra brands
Yeah.
for her. That's great.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want it to get low on diesel, so you're sucking stuff on the bottom.
They sell treatment stuff here in
They
Bagaces?
sell it at the gas station. They sell everything there. You hold this like
Yep.
that? Yeah, they'll sell it there. We get the battery charger out of that black box.
Yep.
It's on the bottom there, next to the bag. And we'll take it and connect it up with the extension cord.
So we're trying to take this hose off and then plug it because it's still connected to the gas tank. I'm thinking that bolt's gonna be too big. It's about the same size as the tube, I think. Maybe a little bit bigger, smaller.
Let's see.
Maybe we can shove one of these in there. It'll leak a little though. Yeah, it looks like it'll work good actually.
Dang, that thing is on there tight.
No, impact sockets.
Oh,
only.
yeah, impact sockets.
And the extension.
That's right.
Yeah, I couldn't bring a wrench because it was bigger than 8 inches. I couldn't bring it on my carry-on.
You can put it in your pants.
Yeah.
You want to see bigger than 8 inches, boy? I got something for you. Fucking.
So what is there, like 3, 4, or 5 seals in here that need replaced?
Only a couple. I'm gonna need the standard in there. Here comes homeboy, I bet.
Oh, we got this on. Change this out. It's got a filter up in there too, so that's nice, new filter. But we're looking at trying to get, we're gonna get some diesel in here. Now we got a cutoff switch for that, and hopefully we'll change out some seals here.